Hello. Do you want to fix the error of not being able to install Roblox on Play Store or App Store? Well, let's go to the settings of our phone, okay? And here we will go to applications. Here in applications, what we would have to do is scroll down and look for Roblox. Let's go here, Roblox, and here we would have the option to update in the background for iOS users. We will have to have this activated, and for Android users, you will also have to clear the cache. In the second step, we would have to go to the App Store or Play Store. Let's go search for Roblox. Let's search, and if we have the install button here, we could install Roblox perfectly. Goodbye.